ang gitawag nga OST Princess tungod sa iyang mga awit nga gigamit sa nagkadiiyang drama series dinhi sa GMA Network. Ug karong tuiga Unsa, kaha ang theme song sa Boholanang Talent. Sa iranta kauban si Kapuso artist Hannah Precillas. Mayong buntag, Hannah! So happy to have you back!
Mayong buntag, Miss Cecil, and sa tanan nagtanaw sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Guwapa kay Hannah. Okay? Kumusta naman ka and your family?
I'm good, I'm doing fine, and also my family, syempre si Mama, and karon pag uming lipat ng house, well, still rented, but I'm very happy kay mas tuol ko sa workplace.
New year and a new home for you and your family. That's good to hear na you're all safe and healthy. Pero this morning, Hannah, let's start our interview nga mahibaw-an na mo ang imuhang morning routine. How do you usually start your morning, Hannah?
Morning routine, very usual lang kung unsa itong buhat. Well, I always clean my face. Yun talaga number one kay almost every night mag-makeup kay na work and something. And in the morning, of course, I have to make sure na clean ang akong naong kay maobey pero may makita sa interviews and all.
Pero Hannah, karong bagong tuig, 2021 na, unsa ang imuhang mga priorities this year na imo dyong gipangandaman?
Siguro sa music career na for 2021, mas nindot pa, mas makahatag pa ko og kanang mga nice songs na mapapakinggan sa lahat ng nag-aabang sa akin.
Pero let's talk about Cebu, Hannah. Since Boholana ka, but I'm sure magsigi mangjukag arian po sa Cebu. We're celebrating the biggest fiesta for Senior Santo Niño, ang sinulog. Were you able to visit and experience sinulog?
Actually, every year gyud nga tanda na mo kaming family. Samot na ako nga every year gyud nga dapat mo anha ako Cebu since I was elementary hangtod nag-high school ko, and I was very sad na nako diri sa Manila, but still nung nag-aral ako ng college, para pinilit ko na kahit may exam dapat matapos ko para makauli ng Cebu ba kay makamiss bitaw ang energy, ang vibe ng sinulog, and of course ang pagtanda kay Senior Santo Niño. Mao gyud akong na-miss gyud.
Ikaw pud ba devotee pud ka ni Senior Santo Niño?
Yes, me and my family.
And of course, kanang isip usa ka devotee ni Senior Santo Niño, unsa pud to ang mga gipangayo nimo or giampo nimo nga gitubag ni Santo Niño?
Well, I always pray for genuine happiness and peace, especially sa pamilya. Akong pray lang gyud nga bisan dili mi inana ka, wealthy, but malipayon mi sa isa ka balay, maulong gyud ang akong pray per me.
And of course, Hannah, we're all looking forward to a better year karong 2021. What's in store ba for Hannah Precillas this year? Unsay imong mga projects nga gustong i-pursue?
Madungagan pa ang mga guestings like in terms of acting naman.
That's good to hear that you're open to try acting. Unsa na mga roles pod ang imuhang gustong i-try?
Well, any role, but siguro more on myself na kung unsa ko, akong personality in real life. Kaya gusto ko makita nila ba nga, dili siya as in acting, na makita nila na, oy, that's her in person, and nadala niya it sa teleserye or in her acting skills.
And before we end this interview, Hannah, of course, we'd love to hear your angelic voice para naman ma-boost po ang mood this morning. What would be your song karong 2021?
Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like I was single word to make a heart open. I might only have a one match, but I can make an explosion. That's it. Fight song.
Nice. Thank you. Thank you so much, Hannah, for singing with us this morning. And of course, please thank our viewers and please promote your social media accounts and any upcoming projects.
to all my kababayans, taga Cebu, taga Bohol, and sa tahanan pang nag-view na tanaw karon sa GMA Regional TV Live. Daghan kayong salamat sa tanan nagsuporta na ako. Thank you kaayo. And of course, you guys can follow me sa aking social media accounts for more updates. Instagram, at Hannah Precillas.
Yes, liked and followed jud na and all out support jud mi
Yes.
kanimo Hannah. Daghang salamat for joining us this morning.
Thank you so much.